I finally got my camera out, like 3 days into the trip. Currently staying in this hostel with 8 people. It's kind of like a little hut. It's like I'm a Celebrity. Out there, you don't have like water half the time. This is where I'm staying. Some dog shit bed, and this is all the medicine and crap that they gave me. That's the trip. Took 4 airports to get here. 3 flights, a ferry, lots of waiting. I think took in total 26 hours to get here, and then before we went to sleep about 32 hours, and then before I went to sleep on the first day, obviously fell off my bike in the rainstorm. This one's really deep, like close to the bone, but not enough for stitches. And then I will show you my leg, which is pretty. It's not so bad. It's all scabbed. It's sore. It's more annoying than painful. So you come out of our little hut. This is Davio.
Oh no, don't put this on YouTube then.
Again.
State.
What a state.
You better cut this from your footage.
You know what it looks like in here? I was thinking this. It's like I'm a Celebrity, get me out of here. And you have your 2 bathrooms and 3 showers, but the water only works for a certain amount of the day. We're staying in the Love Shack hostel because this is where the magic happens. And this is the kahuna that put me on the floor with ball tires, piece of shit. Right. We're making our walk to the secret beach, but the secret beach is on Google, so it's very secret, and it's a bit dangerous. This is not good. And I'm not sure I'm going to make it down all the way down there. This guy, let's see. Holy shit. But thankfully, one of this is going to pick. Oh my god, it's just held by string. That little pole is not cemented in, it's just string. Ow! Oh, if it means we're dead. But you'd have to wait until it dried up.
Oh yeah, this is not good, is it, with your the fork's supposed behind me, so if you slip, you'll just bump into me.
What, you'll fall and die?
No, but I'll fall and crack me out. Like, we should both be okay.
I'm glad I didn't bring flip-flops. Oh, it's so hot, how come it's just so wet? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, it's like a... You know what sucks? You know what sucks? Get back up. Holy shit. Oh, that's alright. Storms are coming. We took so long to get here, but now it's over. They call him Lobster Davio with his bright pink shoulders. Slow down, son. Slow down. I need a close up of that.
Oh, this one.
I mean, look at that. That is what you call a lobster. Over. Well, the sun's back out. Beautiful. What we like to see. It's raining now though. And so it begins. I'm fucked already. We've done maybe 10 steps.
I do kind of want to run across this grass over there.
So this is Dave's bike, and unfortunately he's had to go all the way back up here. All the way back up here because he's dropped his key somewhere. 20 minutes later, still no sign of him. Is this him? Is this him? Is this him? Is this him? Oh, never mind, this is a fat Asian guy. Never mind. It's Davio with bad news. He does not look happy. He's gamming. He's gamming. Look at the siren. Stop. He's off.
To pay for it. And for those who will swim, please remove all your jewelry or any fashion accessories with you because it might accidentally fall into the water. Yeah.